Hi guys, yeah, welcome back. And today, well, I was kind of doing the typical thing you do on a Saturday, and I was like, what can I do? I don't have any parts, and, you know, I don't want to waste a good day off. So, I thought, a mate of mine had some spare tint, and I'm going to try and tint my rear windows. Let's just see how it goes. I haven't done much tinting before, but let's see how it goes. So here's the tint right here. It's just a roll of tint, nothing fancy. And then I've got a heat gun, cheap one from Super Cheap. It'll do the job. That's just to help mold it around some corners. Oh, sunny's falling down. A bit bright out here. And I haven't got it yet, but I'm gonna go grab a spray bottle because it helps to, when you're doing tint, even just with windows, it helps to use the spray bottle so that your adhesive doesn't seal straight away and you get more chance to mold it. So I'll go grab that and then we'll get into figuring out how we're gonna tint it. And you can come along with me, so yeah. So here are the lights here. They're not too badly shaped in the sense that they might be alright for tinting. We'll see how they go, but you guys can enjoy watching me either succeed or fail. Okay, so I'm gonna begin on this light. We'll do the other one, but you got to give them a bit of a clean down. So I've just got some soapy water, cloth. We'll just give them a little scrub. Alrighty, so that's them cleaned. I'm probably just gonna go rinse this off with some soap. I'm gonna rinse it off with some fresh water and just give them a wipe down with fresh water. Just get any soap, and then we'll start planning out what we're gonna do. Okay, so that's them cleaned up. You gotta try and remove all of the dirt and everything out of all the seams and everything, just because the tint won't stick and they'll just look horrible if you got anything on them. So you try and get them as clean as you can. Some lights, this isn't the case with the Move, you might have to take them out to be able to do this properly because you might not be able to get inside here, but thankfully with the Move I don't have that problem, so I'm going to attempt them on the car and not have to pull it off. We'll see how it goes, but try and see if we can get away with it. Alrighty, so got some scissors. It's getting exciting. Time to start trialing it out. I'm gonna get my dad to come help because I don't have full hands. He's gonna be here soon, but we're gonna start seeing if we can figure out lengths and everything like that. How the heck can't I get this out?
A few moments later.
So one day I might actually get this out. So this is my dad. He's gonna come help me put the tint on. So yeah, first one didn't really go to plan. It has got a lot of wrinkles in it. So we're gonna try with this right one. We'll probably come back and fix that one up later, but with this right one, we're just gonna pull it out and try again. It just is what it is. I'll be first to say I haven't done much tinting, but you know, the only way you learn is by doing it. So we'll try this other one, eh? Alrighty, so it's been a little while, I've just been thinking, and I'm happy with how that looks. Yes, it does have crinkles in it, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the tint, because it's not really sticking that well anyway. I think it's a bit of a cheap tint. But I'm going to paint them. And I'll go through on how to do that, but, so I'll pull this off, and I'll pull the lights out. I'll pull that one off, down there. So we'll get to pulling this one out, and then we'll go through how we're going to paint them. Alrighty, so we've got our two lights. I'm gonna give them a quick scuff up with a bit of Scotch-Brite, I think, and then we'll get ready to paint. So, basically, I've just given a quick scuff up. You don't want to rough it up too much because you'll be able to see it. We're only putting a light clear on. But it's just to give the paint something to grip to. So we're just giving it a light scuff up. And you can see the difference. Slightly not as shiny, but that'll come up once we paint it. I'll just do this one quickly. So the scuff go up. I'm gonna give them a quick wipe down, just get any old dust off of them. Rightio, let them dry and I'll go get the paint ready. Okay, so we're just mixing up the paint. All we've basically done is we've put some clear coat into the gun with a bit of hardener, and then we're just going to slowly add some just plain black paint in until we get close to the color we want. We don't want it too dark so that it's still able to be seen. Got them here on the table, and sanded, mixed up the paint, and I'm just going to start masking them up to stop that clear, beautiful black paint, well, clear black paint, whatever you want to call it, going in the wrong places. Nope. Just fell off the table. Whoopsie. Only you. Yeah, prep one. Alrighty. So we've got the gun ready. They're all prepped up as good as we can get them. So we're gonna just start. So we'll get to it. Alrighty, so it's the next day. Hopefully the taillights are dry. So we'll go check them out, eh? Motor going back together. Alrighty. Oh, we got some other stuff in here, but that's alright. Alright, look at that. They look pretty good. Bit dark in here because there's not much light, but they won't be that dark when they're on the car. Rightio, we'll grab those and we'll take them out to the car. Not bad. I think they're gonna look pretty good. Left them in there. Grab these lights. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, that was a good weekend. I guess you could call it a cover-up. Nah, probably not a cover-up. Just something to do when you don't have something to do, but you find something to do. And they turned out pretty good. Can't complain, really. So, for a quick job, I'm very happy. So, if you guys learnt anything or enjoyed the video, make sure you check out our other pages and Instagrams, socials, all that stuff. And yeah, many more videos like this to come. Thank you. Enjoy. Catch you later.